वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रीड टू लीड। गाइस, आज मैं आपको स्ट्रेस एंड इंटोनेशन पर आपको ये आंसर बताने वाली हूँ। गाइस, ये टॉपिक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इससे रिलेटेड 4 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन और 3 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन कई बार एग्जाम पेपर में आए हुए हैं। तो चलिए गाइस, वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Discuss in detail the stress and intonation as a fundamental factor of the pronunciation. Second question है, write short note on the following. A. Stress and intonation, जो कि 2017 में आया है. Explain with the example stress and intonation, ये 2016 में आया है. और write a short note on English sound stress and intonation, ये 2018 and 19 दोनों में आया है. The meaning of stress. Stress means emphasis on the specific word on the sentence during the communicating. When one speak, other hand, on formal occasions or on informal, proper modulation. Basically, in the terms of stress, is insincere. Flat speaking lack the emphasis, whereas speaking with proper stress and leads much greater attention than usual. It not only the grabs of the attention of the listener, but it also leaves a good impression of the speaker. One can emphasize of a word or the even sentence while communicating. English is known as the stress language. Stress language or the language that are spoken with the different levels of emphasis for a different words and syllables in the sentence. This is the features that the symbolic language do not share. Symbolic language are the language that are spoken with the equal emphasis on every syllable. So for example के थ्रू समझाया है. Consider the words can. When one use this word positively, it becomes can. These vowels goes almost unsaid. Stress on we can go out on Sunday. On the other hand, the negative form can't. This never goes unstressed. It's always pronounced can't. The result is that saying we can go out on Sunday will take less time than saying we can't go out Sunday. That's it. Kind of stress. Stress के प्रकार बताए हैं, टाइप्स बताए हैं. तो पहला है verbal stress, second word stress and third sentence stress. तो इन तीनों स्ट्रेस को आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. Syllable stress. There is a found variation is stress on the symbolic in the English. It is a part of the word pronounced by a single effort of voice. Monosyllables in English, it is a part of the word pronounced by a single effort of a voice. Monosyllable, disyllable and trisyllable. Tetrasyllable and multisyllable are the kinds of syllable. The major thing requiring the syllable are as under. 1. Monosyllable words such as see, man, etc. etc. Second is D-syllable words with the stress on the first such the sis, oblique, comma, track and toad, etc. 3. Tree-syllable words which stress on second are relieve, again, etc. 4. D-syllable words with stress on both are unknown. 5. Three-syllable words with the stress on first such as photography, holiday. 6. Three-syllable word with the stress on the second such as a tomorrow, motivation, etc. 7th, tetrasyllable words with the stress on third, understand. 8th, tetrasyllable word with stress on the last word, pronunciation. education, etc. Now I'm going to tell word stress. In a speech content word on stress, while the extractional words are not the stress. In the same way, the nouns, adjective, main verb and adverb are the stress, whereas auxiliary verb, articles, prepositions and conjunction are not stress. Now, third, sentence stress. Oftenly in a sentence, some words are more significant than other, and this is expressed by stressing the word. The difference in the stress leads to difference in the meaning or sense. Example, Manish is my friend. तो फर्स्ट है Manish is my friend, not anyone but Manish. Second, Manish is my friend, not anybody else. Third, Manish is my friend. Why do you doubt? Fourth, Manish is a friend, not enemy. ठीक है. Meaning of intonations. In English pronunciation, intonation is a very significant. Intonation is the variation in pitch. It is the rise and fall of pitch in voice. According to A.W. Fiske, much of the meaning of the spoken language is conveyed by the tune to which it is said. It is the general rise and fall of pitch and loudness during a number of successive phonations. Kinds of intonations. First, rising intonation. Second, falling intonations. And third, rising falling intonations. First, rising intonations. Speeches which are spoken, assertion or give command are rising intonations. Example, first, close the gate. Second, he is correct at his place. Third, is he listening? Second, falling intonations. Speeches showing courtesy, politeness, sorrow, etc. are included in falling intonations. Examples, first, I am highly obliged to you. Second, alas, you astonished. You forgot. Third, please allow me to watch a movie. Third, rising, falling intonations. When a speaker speaks in continuation in same pitch, it is known as rising falling intonations. Example, first, naming the items and books, copy, paper, pen, eraser, etc. Second, counting numbers such as first, second, third, fourth, etc. And answer is completed from here. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा हो, तो प्लीज गाइस लाइक माय वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, शेयर माय वीडियो एंड डू कमेंट्स आल्सो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.